Alright guys, today we're going to fix this radio code on this Acura TL. So first I will turn the key once. Code pops up. Make sure it's off. Hold button 1 and 6 and then press the power button. You'll get a code. Here's my first code. And the second part of the code. So I'm going to give you guys this website where you can go check it out instead of going to the dealership. Just type in these two codes, your email, your info pretty much, and it's going to give you a code so you can fix the radio. I'm going to show you guys how to do that in a minute. Let me input all this info in the online real quick and then we'll get back to it. Okay guys, so you want to go to Google, Honda radio code, click on the first link. It brings you to this page, and then you got the overview for your first tab, second tab, get codes, third tab, help. Overview tells you what you need, help, basically if you guys need help on how to do this stuff, it gives you an example. But what we're gonna go to is the get codes tab in the middle. You're gonna type in your VIN, zip code, phone number, email, serial number, and then after you do all that information, you should get a code in your email. Go back to your radio, type it in, and it should start working. I'm gonna demonstrate real quick. All right guys, so we're back. So make sure you turn your key all the way until you see the little lights come on. So the code's gonna be on error number 2. And I already figured out what my code is. It's 13516. And there you go. We got the radio back to work. Quick 5-minute fix. See you guys later. Tune in, subscribe, hit the like.